Alright, now I'm making a demo about the glue dispensing. We start from zero. First of all, we take out the AB glue and change the mixing tube. Rotate it and then take it out. And then replace with the new one. Make this big hole is aligning with this triangle. Press it down and then rotate it. Alright, at this moment we don't install the needle yet. This way we can mix the glue faster. Click glue testing until the blue AB glue comes out. Then we install the needle. The needle we are using right now is 25G. Okay, then put it back. Then stable it. We turn on the light, make it closer, and check if this needle is matching with the original point on the mold or not. Now from the front side, we can see the needle is at the middle of this original point, and then we check it from the right side. From the right side, we check it again and see if the needle is at the middle or not. Install the frame. Use the finger, check surrounding the frame to make sure it is 100% sink down in the mold. Then we have this metal piece for stabilizing the frame. And right here we got a screw. Stabilize again, make sure it is totally flat inside. Every time before glue dispensing on the frame, we will check the glue. That means we will repeat from the step 1 to step 2. Okay, now we check. This process is extremely important because we have to make sure the AB glue is coming out very fluently, and make sure that the color of it is light blue. If it is white or deep blue, that means the glue is not mixed well. Like the one in the video, you can see the color is normal and the speed of it is okay. By the way, we check the pressures right here. Normally for our AB glue, normally we are using 0.4 MPa. If the pressure is too high, then you can pull it out to turn it anti-clockwise to turn down the pressure. If the pressure is too low, then you turn it clockwise to increase the pressure to the target pressure. Okay, normally we are using 0.4. Now it's okay, then press it. And then you keep doing that. If the glue is coming out not fluently, then we will wait until the glue can comes out like this, very smoothly, and the color looks very even. Okay, now we can see the glue just perfect. Then we will get started. Take it out and then turn down the needle until the needle is touching the original point on the mold. And then lift it up a little bit. How much is that? If you don't have any idea about that, you can use a piece of the protector on the frame, like this. You put it here until it is pressing. Then loose a little bit until you can pull out this protecting film. Then the height of it is correct. After all, Then we go back here to select the drawing. Step 2, and this mold we are making is 15 Pro Max. The first folder, it is for the frame, and the second one is for the back glass. Okay, the next page, 15 Pro Max, and select this drawing, then get it started. Normally the speed, we don't need to change it, okay, because we are resetting 1000. If you want to change it, you want to make it slower, then you can set it up like 900, 800, 700, 600, like that. Okay, we go back. Every time before real gluing, we need to check. We need to check the glue, because baby glue will dry very fast inside. Okay, in the video we might repeat it more, but while you are doing the real job, you can do it faster. Okay, now I'm sure the glue is coming out fluently. Then select the drawing. Here we go. There is some noise while it is moving left and right, because there is a ray inside. It is normal. Okay, now the glue is perfect glue on the frame. We can check. Take it out. And then loose the screw here, just a little bit. Then you can slide out like what I did. And check the details about that. The glue was applied on the frame just perfect. You can check the four corners. It is very even.